Oh, hi, I'm cooking again today. I got all those leftover cornflakes, and I'm like, what can I do with them? So I'm gonna make a magical treat with these cornflakes. First up, you need butter. Take the butter and you grease your 8-inch pan. Greasy, 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 greasy. Greasy, 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 greasy. Up next. Okay, I got it all greased up in there. And now I gotta take corn syrup, which I didn't even know you could buy. I thought you were going to get that in a factory or something. Peanut butter and sugar. And we're gonna pour it in here. How much of each one do I need? I gotta just open my list here. So for the sugar on the list, I need half a cup of sugar. Half a cup of sugar. Pour it in. Boom. How much corn syrup do I need? I need half a cup again. Oh, those things are hard to get open sometimes, aren't they? Whoa! There it goes. Oh, this is groupy stuff. Bleh. Bleh. That's gross. Hopefully I never use this again in the recipe. Woo! Look at this, watch this. Bleh. See that fanciness there? I lifted it up super high. Now you need a full cup of peanut butter. Everything's brand new, you can see. You can open them all up. Full cup of peanut butter. One more scoop, I think. Where's the cuppy thing? That's about a cup. Putting this all in here now. Now I'm going to leave this in here, and it's going to settle down and melt together. And we'll be right back. Next up, cornflakes. We need 4 cups of cornflakes. That's 2 cups. Kasploosh. And there's 2 more cups. Because it's an educational channel, I can tell you 2 plus 2 equals 4. Educational. It's like PBS Kids over here right now. Boom. Oh boy. Now I'm going to stir this up. And we'll be right back. Okay, so it's all mixed up there. Looking good. Now I'm going to take it. I'm going to put it in my 8x8 pan. Scoop it in. Oh yeah, it looks like goodness deliciousness here. You know what's weird? I find a lot of the kids these days aren't really into peanut butter, which is weird because peanut butter is awesome. Kids gotta like peanut butter, man. So you want to smash this down real good. Just like we did with that other thing. What did we make the other day? We mashed them down. Oh yeah, that weird thing with the potato chips. That was weird, man. But we smashed that down real good. Now we're gonna smash this down real good. That's pretty well smashed. We'll be right back. Next up, chocolate. So the recipe I saw online, it calls for 3/4 of a cup of chocolate. But I'm saying we go for a full cup of chocolate because it's chocolate. Right? Can't have too much chocolates. Alright, so I'm going to pop this in the wave, as these kids say. And we're going to get it to melt up goody. And then we're going to pour it all on top. We'll be right back. Okay. Chocolate. We're going to pour this right on. You want to use a hot pad because it's hot when you take out the wave there. I'm going to pour this over the top. Oh boy, chocolatey goodness. Yummy, yummy chocolate gooiness. La la la, gooey chocolate yummy yum. Ooh, I don't know if I've done much singing before on the big channel here. You guys are getting a real treat today. It's the chocolate that's bringing out the song in me. I'm going to spread it out pretty evenly. Now's the part if we were on a real TV show, I'd pull out from somewhere secret one that's already been done. We're not that fancy here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take this one, I'm going to stick it in the fridge for like 30 minutes or so, and then we'll check it out. Be right back. Okay. Took it out of the fridge over here. We're going to give it a try. I'm going to cut a little chunk off, and we're going to see what kind of wonderfulness I have made for everybody today. It's too bad you guys can't all be here every week to try these things with me. You'd be like so happy with your tummies. It's such an honor to be here and eat this stuff for you guys. So look at this. Look how good this looks. That's some chocolatey peanut butter. Goodness. That's pretty amazing. That's a real taste sensation I love. Chocolatey, peanut buttery, with some crunchy crunches in it. Whoa, you're gonna love it. See you next week.